Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing the unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 3 combo kit. So this is the kit which you get. To function this gimbal you have to download the DJI Mimo app from the Google Play Store if you are using the Android mobile phone, and if you are using iPhone you can download it from the Apple App Store. So let's start the unboxing. So this is what you get inside the box: a case which carries the gimbal and the small box which carries all the accessories of the gimbal. So let's open it. This is the Osmo Mobile gimbal case. It's nice, small, hard. It's easy if you carry the gimbal in this because it's safe to carry the gimbal in this. It comes with this case. So this is the Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal. Like other gimbals, this is very small in size and it is easy to carry. And I think so this is the best gimbal which you get in the market. So this is it. We have to mount the mobile over here and assemble it and balance it. This is the zoom in and zoom out keys. The quality of this gimbal is very nice. This is the trigger. This is how you can fold the gimbal. It's very small. It's very small in size. It's very easy to carry, as you can see. Let's see the other stuffs which we get. So in this white box, let's see what accessories and kit we get. This is the charging cable, and I think so it's type C. Yes, it is type C cable which we get to charge the gimbal. Let's keep it aside and see what other things we get. These are some stickers. I don't know what is the use of these stickers. There will be some use. And let's see what's inside the box. Actually it got stuck in it. Let's open it and see what is this. So this is the pouch what we get. If you are not taking the combo kit, you will get this pouch in that thing also, but you will not get the case. You will get this pouch to keep the gimbal. The quality is nice. The Osmo DJI printed on it. And this is the thread to carry it, to attach the gimbal. And one more thing is the inside. I think so this is the tripod which we get. Yeah, this is the tripod which we get to mount the gimbal on it, to place it on ground. The quality of the tripod is very nice, you can see. That's it guys. These are the things which you get in the Osmo Mobile 3 combo kit: the pouch, the gimbal, the tripod, the type C cable. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos.